Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E32s. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to it at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories in order to select all of them. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. Now select Send next to selected. Finally, you can click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here instead. And select Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!